Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is drop by drop. This is the 16th chapter of class 3rd EVS book, and we have read already one page of this topic, drop by drop. We were talking about Madhu's village. She lives in Rajasthan, Bhaju. This is a village named Bhaju, and this is in Rajasthan, where there is no water. There is scarcity of water because this is a desert area. Now we will talk about the another page of this topic. Let us first read out the paragraph. Then I will explain it accordingly. Just like Madhu, Sonal also faces water scarcity in her house. She lives in Bhavan Nagar. Water is supplied only for half an hour in a day. All the people of the area depend on only a single tap. Sonal is determined to take water from the tap whenever she gets a chance. She fills her bucket even if it is just drop by drop. Okay, I will first explain this to you, then we will talk about another activity. Just like Madhu, Sonal is the another girl who faces the scarcity of water just like Madhu, but she lives in the another village named Bhavnagar. Their water supply is very low, and it's only supplied for half an hour in a day, and people living in that area, they depend on a single tap. And the Sonal, she is very determined. She is very determined girl. She used to take water from the tap even if it's just drop by drop, and she gets a chance to fill her bucket. Okay, now here is an activity on page 100, page number. Here is an activity. We have to do an activity and you people will do it at home. The activity is how many drops will fill a bowl or a mug. You people will take a mug and you will fill that mug, or you will take a bowl and you have to fill it by drop and drop, and then you will check out how many drops of water will help us to fill a bowl or a mug. This is an activity for you and for me too. Okay, now we will discuss small things. I will discuss small things with you, like in places where there is scarcity of water, wherever at any place where there is scarcity of water, and the people who are living there, they adapt different methods to save water or to reuse water. And the people, they do this out of necessity. Why? Because water is the basic unit of our life, and this is the basic need of our life. This is the basic need of our life, you all know. Just like clothes, just like food, water is the basic need of our life. People adapt different methods where there is scarcity of water. By understanding this, we talked about Sonal in this lesson, and they have only a single tap in their village, and she is very determined to fill the bucket with water, even if the tap is only one and the water is drop by drop, coming drop by drop from that tap. If we will understand this, the children, they have to adapt, you people have to adapt, I have to adapt certain measures to save the water to save the water. Water is for all. We all know water is for all. Wherever you will see the tap is open, you people have to go and close the tap. When we irrigate our lawns, we have to use rainwater for that. Okay, discuss the reuse of water we can do. We have to do mopping on our floor. We use mop. Yeah, that water we can give water to our plants, flower pots. This is the reuse of water. This would help us to save water, and it will be useful to listen and adapt the suggestions given by the teacher. For example, we have to wash our hands, washing our hands and face. We have to use washing our hands and face. We should collect that water in a tub. Then we should use that water in our cleaning of the toilets. Okay, or mopping the floor. We can mop the floor, and the water which will remain there, we can use that water for watering plants, isn't it? Or we have to wash fruits and vegetables. When we wash fruits and vegetables, we can use that water for watering plants. This is reuse of water. Okay, this is reuse of water. Or the water which we use for hands and face, we can use it for washing clothes also. Yeah, we can use that water in the toilets, isn't it? These are the various ways how we can save water. With this, we completed the chapter. Okay, now I will talk another chapter in next class. Till then, goodbye.